Sit down.
Our next president, inshallah. The Northeast ne, shi ya san matsalar mu, shi ya san ciwon mu. In ya zama president, we don't need to explain what we need. Kuma banda haka, so na ne mutane Northwest za su yi presidency. Last time da muka yi Tafawa Balewa ne, up to now, sai da vice president da muka samu wuce. Allah ya baka wannan da yanzu muna neman presidency ne, kuma Allah zai ba mu insha
Allah. Distinguished delegates from Borno State, I want to appreciate your coming to visit with me, and also not only to visit with me, but to pledge your support on behalf of other delegates from Borno State to me. I am not new to Borno people. I can claim to be part of Borno. We are also from the same geopolitical zone, that is the Northeast. As of today, in all human development indices, the Northeast is the most backward. It is the poorest in education, in health, in everything, and as well as even in security. These are very serious challenges facing the Northeast and other parts of Nigeria. We should not go and make the mistake of giving leadership to people who are inexperienced, people who are incompetent, and people who are just there to make money or to further their own interest. Therefore, I'm appealing to you, as you have always given me your support, I'm appealing to you to this time again, give me your support so that together we can win the forthcoming elections. Yes, Borno is an APC state, but I can tell you APC is not going anywhere. And then if we make the mistake of not voting for PDP into power this time around, you can be sure you are going to be in opposition again for the next 8 years, by which time PDP will be dead. So I appeal to you, when you go back, draw the attention of your supporters and your fellow delegates on the need, first of all, to make sure this time around we get the ticket for the Northeast, and at the same time we win the general elections for the Northeast. So I want to thank you very much indeed for coming, and also to wish you safe return home to your respective destinations. Thank you very much, and God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Excellency.
Your name, sir?
My name is Abacha Derive from Borno State, National Delegate.
Can you tell us the essence of this?
No, we came to show our support to the Wazir in Adamawa, that we are 110% behind him. Whenever the time comes, we'll give him support more than we have given him in the past.
Okay, so what are your messages to the other delegates from other states?
To support Waziri, that's all. No going back. He's the only qualified person.
And now, the general at large, that if they make
He is still the most qualified person, that's all. I'm not saying much. Everyone to come and support Waziri, that's all.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.